Yes. Sing a lonely child song, pocket full of rye.